NMC Exteriors is an industry leader in storm renovation. We're here for your home when it matters most, helping improve not just the beauty of your home, but also how well it performs.
With over 20 years experience in roofing, siding, window replacement, and insulation, NMC offers the exterior protection your home needs to stand up to Mother Nature.
We are a woman-owned, family-founded, platinum-preferred contractor. Our commitment to quality starts from the first time that our phones are answered all the way until the last nail is picked up on your property. Nothing gives us more pride than serving and restoring the community that we are rooted in.
If there's a storm in your area, it's a good idea to have your home inspected because there could be damage that you aren't aware of.
Through the use of our online weather widget tool, you can find out if your area has been affected. Then, you will be put into contact with an NMC representative so that we may inspect for damages before it becomes a serious issue.
And if we do find damage, we're going to work directly with your insurance company to make the process quick and easy. We offer a variety of different options, whether it be vinyl, LP Smart Side, board and batten, and shakes. They all install really easy and they're going to give you an impressive warranty as well.
NMC also provides energy-efficient window replacement. Upgrading your home's insulation can help with energy costs and make your living spaces even more comfortable as the seasons change.
With more than 10,000 completed jobs in the land of 10,000 lakes, no one knows home restoration and renovation like NMC. Experience the NMC difference and schedule your appointment today.
Thank you for choosing NMC Exteriors.